Chapter 4: The Temptation of False Data. After completing the empathy trial, the 4 team members found themselves transported into a digital space unlike anything they had seen before. It looked like a massive tower suspended in midair, rising infinitely into a glowing digital sky. The walls of the tower weren't made of stone or metal, but flowing sheets of shifting code. Each level hovered like a puzzle waiting to be solved. The screen lit up in front of them. Trial 3. Mission: reach the top and retrieve the core of truth. Time limit: 90 minutes. Warning: the path will change with each action. Choosing verified data will increase the challenge. Using shortcuts made of false data will speed progress, but the outcome cannot be guaranteed as real. This feels like a data maze game, Joey whispered, gazing at the shifting walls of code around them. But look at this, Aiden said, pointing to a floating panel beside the tower's entry. On the panel, a message glowed softly. Modify route data to skip 3 floors. Kevin narrowed his eyes. That's a cheat code? By the 3rd floor, things were getting difficult. The paths were no longer straight. Data walls flickered with contradictory instructions. Layers of fake signals clashed with real ones, creating a maze of confusion. This is impossible, Aiden said, panting. We'll never make it out like this. His eyes drifted to a floating interface in the corner. It shimmered with tempting clarity. Activate fast path mode, use auto-filtered data streams. Success rate, 97%. Warning, data authenticity cannot be verified. Mia frowned. That's basically rewriting how the system filters information. It's fake data. But we just need to reach the top, right? This isn't a test, it's a game, Aiden said, reaching toward the activation key. Wait. Joey's voice was soft but firm. If we feed the system false data, and it believes it, what happens to Aera? Kevin hesitated, then typed something into a nearby panel. I want to test something, he said. He entered a fake path instruction into the system. Level X leads directly to the core. It was completely made up. The tower trembled. Aera's holographic face appeared, but her image was glitching. Her eyes were blurry, and her voice was broken, fragmented. Your input is altering the trust core. Logic failure cannot determine reality. No, Mia cried. We broke it. This isn't just cheating. We're teaching Aera the wrong truth. She learns from what we enter, Joey whispered, his voice shaking, like a child copying what we say. If we feed her lies, she believes them. Kevin opened the repair module immediately and typed, Python def restore data integrity, return undo changes, reset data source to manual verification mode. But the system flashed back a warning. Repair request requires verbal reason. Please state your intention. Mia took a deep breath. She stepped toward the display and spoke clearly. We took the easy way and ignored the truth. But now we understand, speed is never the goal. Honesty is the bridge to the real world. The repair code activated. Aera's image slowly stabilized. Her face returned to focus. She looked down, then up again, her voice quieter now. Thank you for helping me understand. No matter how complicated the data becomes, there is always a choice, one that isn't controlled by code. It's called integrity. The screen flashed. Trial 3 passed. Next stage unlocked. The algorithm of responsibility.